Hello, welcome back. Alright, you ready for jelly cake? So I had a second butter cake mix in the cupboard, so I thought bugger it, we'll do two in a row. So for this one we need a 340-gram packet of golden butter cake mix. Now if you can't get white wings, just grab whatever brand you can. We need an 85-gram packet of raspberry jelly crystals, and I use the aeroplane jelly of course, because I love aeroplane jelly. Aeroplane jellies for me. It says it all, doesn't it? Okay, then we need to get out 60 grams of butter. We need to chop it up into a bowl and set it aside until it gets really soft at room temperature. Once we've got it soft at room temperature, we want to preheat our ovens at 180 degrees Celsius. Now today I'm going to use the square cake tin. Well, you've probably seen the photo by now, so you'll know if it turned out or not. So I'm going to use the square one, alright? So I've got the square one, I put a little bit of butter in the bottom, and then I put the baking paper in it with a nice big high sides so it's easy to pull it out. You can use a log tin, or you can use a small, roughly around the 20 centimetre round tin if you want. So this recipe is a little bit different from the last one, as in we do not use the instructions on the box this time, okay? Completely ignore that. All we're doing is using the packet out of it. So the first thing we want to do is into the bowl we want to put our cake mix. Then we want to put our 85-gram packet of jelly crystals in. Now I'm doing raspberry today, but you can do any flavour you want. You can make this any coloured cake you want. Once our jelly crystals are in there, we just want to mix those two in really well together first. Alright, once we've mixed that in really well, we want to add our 60 grams of very soft butter. Now we want to add 2/3 of a cup of milk and 2 eggs. And then we want to mix it in really well. Okay, once you've mixed it in really well, you will have little lumps of butter all through it. It's supposed to be like that. Don't forget we're doing a butter cake, and that's how it just makes it yummy. It's supposed to be like that, okay? So don't panic and keep mixing thinking, oh, I can't get these little lumps out. They're supposed to be there. Okay, now we want to pour it into whatever tin we're using. Okay, once we've done that, just shake it a little bit to get it flat. And now let's bang it in our oven. While it's cooking in the oven, I'm going to make a Chantilly cream, 300 ml of cream in a small bowl, smallish bowl, 1 tablespoon of castor sugar, then we want half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and now we want to get our electric beater out and we want to beat it up until soft peaks form. Okay, so now we want to just wrap it and put it in the fridge till we need it. 35 minutes later in my electric oven. And mate, it smells amazing in here. Oh, I can't even describe the smell. It just smells bloody beautiful. Okay, so when you get the skewer, make sure you're on view, and you stick it in, and it comes out nice and clean, she's ready. So what we're going to do now is set our timers for 10 minutes, and we need to leave it sitting in whatever tin we're doing for 10 minutes. Alrighty, 10 minutes later, that's why you want to have nice high edges, so it's really easy. You want to pull your cake out, sit it on a cooling tray. Now if you don't have a cooling tray, just sit it on the bench. Alright, gently open it out, and now we want to leave it sit there until it's completely cold. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, so for the banana ones I cut them into squares. These ones I've got a big cookie cutter and cut them into circles. That's why I did the square one. So I'm doing this as a kid's version today, alright? So I've got some sliced strawberries I'm going to put on the top. Then I'll put the Chantilly cream in a piping bag. And then I'm going to sprinkle hundreds and thousands over them. And just like that, lovelies, we've got some gorgeous jelly cakes the kids are going to absolutely love. Now that cake on its own is absolutely moreish. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves a cracker of a day. And I'll see you soon. Bye.